Good evening, this is Eric Kolodny with the Epiphany Trading Markets Wrap-Up, the first day of June 2010. Dow was down 113 points today, closing at 10,024. NASDAQ closed Tues and threes are wild, 2222.33, down about 35 points. Tape, though, was much weaker than was shown. Even when the Dow was up 40 or 50 points earlier today, the S&P was consistently lower, and it actually outperformed the Dow to the downside, or underperformed, I guess, finishing down about 1.6%. It was a day mixed by the forces of Apple, which was nicely high all day long, versus worries over the oil slick in the Gulf, which shows absolutely no signs of letting up whatsoever, and worries in Spain and throughout the rest of Europe. Euro was trading below 122, came back above 123, was selling off again a little bit late. But this seems to be, as I glance over, and as you'll hear in a couple of minutes here, a very oil-centric, energy-related sell-off. Some things to look at on the positive side for tomorrow. JSDA closed near a high. PANL closed near a high after an upgrade. AMGN announced approval of Prolia. And COST was featured on Mad Money tonight. On the negative side, PSS is trading lower on earnings right now. MF announced a share offering. And those drillers: SLB, DRQ, OII, CAM, APC, HAL, NOV, DO, RIG, NBL, SII, ANR, and ATPG. They all closed near their lows in a very weak oil rig sector. A lot of them were over 10% losers. APC was 42, down 10. Halliburton was 21 or so, down almost 4. NOV was 34, down 4. Just a very ugly day there. This extended to some of the materials. POT, the coals was weak, closed near a low. FCX and the coppers closed near a low. CLF and WLT closed near lows. MEE out of the coals closed near a low. X closed near a low. FSLR and the semis closed near a low. GFs was relatively weak all day long. It too closed near a low. BUCY closed near a low, as did JOYG. HRBN closed near a low. And finally, CSIQ postponed the release of its earnings results. It boosted their earnings shipments, their shipments guidance, but the audit committee started an inquiry after receiving an SEC subpoena. Earnings calendar in the morning, it's just one company, DAKT, the scoreboard company. And after hours tomorrow, CPRT, CWTR, HOV, and JOSB. Tomorrow, keep an eye out on what Europe does tonight, and certainly what some of these oil stocks are doing tomorrow. With that, I wish all of you a good night, and go trading tomorrow.